A little while ago, we were vacationing in Mexico.
We are in Cancun.
Instead of going to the beach alone, we decided to book a beach day through Airbnb experiences, and we absolutely loved it.
Then a few days ago, we were trying to find something exciting to do. And came across this. Airbnb online experiences. Good morning and welcome back to It's a Date, the channel that is all about bringing you all the tips and ideas for living better together.
And if that's the kind of content that you love and you're new to It's a Date, remember to subscribe as well as hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos.
So in this video, we're super excited to tell you about something that is a whole lot of fun that we happen to stumble upon that is called Airbnb online experiences. Now, what exactly are Airbnb online experiences? Well, it's like the regular experiences, but taken online. So instead of actually physically being in a different country with a local from that country, participating in a specific activity that they have hosting, you can pretty much do the exact same thing, but from the comfort of your own home.
So the other day, we went to Kyoto, Japan, while still staying in South Africa. So a couple of years ago, we did an Airbnb experience in Mexico that really sold us on these experiences. It was a beach day where two things were the most highlighted to us. Number one, we got to experience a beach with locals. So we went to a place that we wouldn't have found on our own. And two, we got to meet so many people from around the world. And I think that's what really drove us to trying out these online experiences.
The great thing about these online experiences are that, well, like we said, you don't have to leave your house to participate in them. Also, there's a whole range of interests. So there are things like cooking classes, things like whiskey tasting, magic shows, a whole bunch of things for you to choose from. And as for the pricing, you can find experiences for as little as $1.
So with each of these experiences that they have on their platform, they go through a really interesting process. So you start off by submitting your idea, Airbnb reviews your idea, and then you audition to make sure that what you're saying you're gonna give your guests is gonna be enjoyable and memorable.
Yeah, so it's not like you're gonna book and end up watching someone's cat or goldfish for an hour. So, yay for quality.
Now we know this because we have an Airbnb online experience, and we'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out.
We're not going to tell you exactly what our experience is all about. We actually really want you to click that link and check it out. But what we will tell you is that it involves dessert and magic. Boom.
And lots of fun.
Super fun. I promise. Just like promises I've made in previous videos about things being super fun. And
they were fun.
Now we know that on It's a Date we usually recommend things specifically for couples to do. However, on Airbnb, on these online experiences, there are literally things for anyone. So if you're doing it alone, as a couple, as a family, I can guarantee you, I can promise you that you will find something fun to do on there. So definitely check it out.
Today's the day for promises, I see.
And that is pretty much our take on Airbnb online experiences. It's definitely something you should check out. I'm pretty sure you will find something you're interested in and a fun experience. In fact, if you have already done one of these online experiences, we'd love to know which one you did and how did you find it. Let us know down in the comments.
And we just want to say thank you so much for hanging out and watching the video. If you found some value or it gave you a great date night idea, remember to leave a big thumbs up. And if you're new to It's a Date, it would be awesome if you could click that subscribe button as well as hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos.
We can't wait to hang out with you again soon, so until next time,
Happy dating!